Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to extend your Starlink Wi-Fi network. Starlink provides excellent internet, but its built-in Wi-Fi might not cover every corner of a large home or property. A Wi-Fi extender or mesh system can significantly boost your signal, ensuring seamless connectivity across hundreds or even thousands of square feet. We will guide you through selecting the right device and integrating it with your existing Starlink setup for optimal performance and coverage. Choosing the right extender is crucial for a robust network. Consider a mesh Wi-Fi system for larger areas, offering consistent speeds over several thousand square feet, or a traditional range extender for smaller dead zones. Ensure your chosen device supports modern Wi-Fi standards like Wi-Fi 6 for best compatibility and speed with Starlink. Begin by powering on your extender and following its initial setup instructions, often involving a mobile app or web interface. Once your extender is ready, connect it to your Starlink router. Many extenders offer a simple WPS button pairing. Otherwise, use the extender's app or web portal to scan for your Starlink Wi-Fi network. Select your Starlink SSID and enter its password. Optimal placement is key. Position the extender roughly halfway between your Starlink router and the area needing improved coverage, ensuring it receives at least a 50% signal strength from the main router. To optimize performance, regularly check for and install firmware updates on your extender. This ensures the latest security patches and performance enhancements. If you encounter issues like slow speeds or dropped connections, try repositioning the extender slightly or restarting both your Starlink router and the extender. With a properly configured extender, you can enjoy reliable, high-speed Starlink internet across your entire property, eliminating dead zones and enhancing your online experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.